I once read that your soulmate makes everything feel like home. They are your safe space, your shelter from the ugly world. I no longer fear the future, knowing I will have you by my side. You are my calm, my constant, and my comfort, and I have always been your chaos. I love you today, tomorrow, and forever. I promise to give you the best of myself. I promise to love you even when I don't like you. I promise to always remain loyal and honest. I promise to hold your hand, both in darkness and in the light. I promise that for the entire duration of our marriage, you will have all of my heart, all of my love, and all of my patience, but never all of the blankets. I vow to help you love life, to speak when words are needed, and to share the silence when they are not. I promise to always live within the warmth of your heart and your hugs, and always call it home.
You ready?
No?
Okay. I, Christopher Pierce, take you, Kelsey Osmond, to be my best friend, my lover, and my wife. I promise to sit and watch all your TV shows, including Big Brother, but not 90 Day Fiancé. I promise to take you in sickness and in health, to respect and protect you through all of our crazy adventures. I promise to always be by your side as you have been for me, to make you laugh when you are sad, and hold your hand when you are scared. I cannot wait to continue our journey together as husband and wife. One last thing, I'm really worth it.
Yes.